I welcome you to Solve Math. Yes, today we have a past question on multiplication of two binomials. Yes, and this is the basic education certificate examination question that is for the year 2022, and was question one. Question one, yes. And what is the question? Now expand into bracket 2a minus b bracket close times into bracket a minus b bracket close. Yes, these are two binomials. Yes, and we are told to expand since they are in brackets, meaning we should what? Multiply or simplify. That is what it means. So if you see words like expand or simplify or multiply, is the same. Okay, so let's have our solution over there, neatly written, nicely placed, and write the question again. We have a minus 2a minus b bracket close, a minus b bracket close. Okay, so as we said in our previous lessons, now each term in one bracket is multiplied by each term in the other bracket. Okay, so let's do that. We have 2a, which is one term. It has to multiply everything here. So a minus b bracket close. And what do we have? Negative b also has to multiply everything here. A minus b. Good. I hope you get it. Now it's equal to, let's continue and break it down. Now 2a times a will give us what? 2a squared. Rules of algebra. This a raised to the power 1, a raised to the power 1. So you just what? Add what? The index. So it will give us 2a squared. Minus now 2a times minus b will give us what? 2ab. Please, it's minus. Take note of that. It's so critical. Okay? Good. Now, negative b times a will give us what? Negative AB. It should be alphabetical. That's why we write AB. Okay, good. And it's negative, so critical. Now, negative B times negative B, rules of algebra. Anytime a negative multiplies a negative, the answer becomes what? Positive. Okay, so take note of that. So the answer will be plus. So negative B times negative B will give us what? Positive B what? Squared. Rules of algebra. Good. Now let's continue so that we break it down so that we can solve like terms together. Okay, so we have what? 2a squared. Now negative 2ab minus ab, what will it give us? Now minus ab standing alone is the same as 1ab, but we don't usually write the 1, but with this I'll write it for you to understand it the more. So negative 2ab minus 1ab, you are owing 2, then you go and owe 1 again. Okay, so you owe more, so it will be negative 3ab. It's just subtraction, so you just what? Join your ab and you are easy to go. So plus what? You have b squared. So you solve the like terms. Okay, this had ab, this also had ab. That's why you solve them together. I hope you understood or you get that particular point. Good. So voila, our answer is 2a squared minus 3ab plus b squared. Easy as ABCD. This brings us to the end of today's lesson on Solve Math. Yes, I will urge you to visit my various social media platforms. On TikTok, I'm Jokan_. You can type that. Follow my page. Yes, enjoy the videos. If you have any comments, let me have them. Yes, I'll respond to your plight. Yes, on YouTube, I'm Jokan TV or Jokan Educational Channel. Just type that. Subscribe to the channel. Share for others to also benefit from this initiative. Yes. If you are not on YouTube and you are not on TikTok, don't be worried. Yes, we are on Facebook. On Facebook, you can find me there. Yes, I'm Jokan, or I'm Jokan TV, or I'm Solve Math, or Kids Zone, or Jokan Educational Channel. Better still, Jokan Ambassadors. Type these, you will find me there. This logo is there. This brings us to the end of today's lesson. My name is George Cantriff, and you can also call me Jokan. To meet again for one next lesson. It's adios. I welcome you to Solve Math. My name is George Campbell. Quickly, let's smooch the board and solve this particular past question on multiplication of two binomials. And this is a basic education certificate examination question for the year 2020. And that was question 38. Yes, what's the question? Pay critical attention here. Now, expand and simplify into bracket a minus 2, bracket close, into bracket 2a plus 3, bracket close. Yes, expand and simplify, meaning we are supposed to multiply and break it down. That is what is meant by simplify. So let's have our solution nicely placed in order to have a neat and presentable work. Let's have the question again. We have a minus 2, bracket close. We have 2a plus 3. Good. And what's the rule? Now, each term in one bracket should be multiplied by the other term in the other brackets. Good. So with this, a is one term. So a should multiply everything here. So a into bracket 2a plus 3, bracket close. Then negative 2 should also multiply everything here. 2a plus 3. Good. I hope you are following, right? Let's continue and break it down. Now, a times 2a will give us 2a squared. These rules of algebra. Good. Now, plus now, a times positive what? 3 will give us what? 3a. That is a positive. Good. Here, we have negative 2. Please take note of that. So, negative 2 times 2a. Anytime a negative multiplies a positive, the answer becomes negative. So it will give us negative what? 4a. I believe you get that. Good. Now, negative 2 times 3, that's a positive 3. Anytime a negative multiplies a positive, the answer becomes negative. So negative 2 times positive 3 will give us what? Negative 6. Good. So it's equal to, let's continue and break it down so that and solve like terms together if indeed there are like terms. So we have 2a squared. Now here, yes, we have like terms. That's this with an a, this also with an a. So 3a minus 4a, you have 3. Then you go and borrow or owe 4. Now, practically, you still be owing, right? How much will you be owing? Just take this 3 you have from the owing, which is what? Which is 4. So you'll be owing 1, right? So it will be a negative and owing. So it's negative a. One may write negative 1a. It's not needed because anyone that sees a knows that it's 1a. Okay, so minus what? Your 6 over there. Easy as A, B, C, D. Voila, 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 voila. So our answer is 2a squared minus a minus 6. I believe you get it. This brings us to the end of today's edition of Solve Math. Yes, I will advise you to visit my various social media platforms. Yes, on TikTok, I'm Jokan_Jokan. Follow my page. Share for others to also benefit from this initiative. On YouTube, I'm Jokan TV or Jokan Educational channel. Subscribe to the channel if you have any plight. Let me have them. I will respond to your call. Yes, on Facebook, I'm there. I'm Jokan or Solve Math or Kids Zone or Jokan Educational channel. You can also type Jokan TV, yes, and you'll find more videos on this lesson. Yes, till we meet again for our next lesson. My name is George Cantref. You can also call me Jokan. Adios.